Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Descript for automatic transcription. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, if you don't know, Descript runs through a software in your computer. You won't be able to use the different features of Descript through your browser, so you're going to have to download the installer for the Descript software. This is what the Descript would look like. This is how you could and use the different features of Descript, as you can see here. Now, if you don't know how to download the installer, all you need to do is to sign up in the Descript.com, and after you create your account, you will be able to automatically download the installer for Descript. Now, if you want to know more information about Descript, like the different features, what they are about, and more information, you can simply visit their website over here and read through the different information posted in their homepage. Now, let's go back to our Descript software over here. This is the Descript software. As you can see right now, this is like the drive view, wherein you can see all the different projects that you are working on and the different projects that are being shared to you as well. You can also see the stuff that is downloaded already, and like you can have a quick recording over here, your voices over here, if ever you would like to use the overdub feature, wherein the AI will use your voice as the voice for the text-to-speech feature. You also have templates over here if ever you would like to use some templates. And there's also workspaces over here. Now, how do you use the automatic transcription in Descript? Now, it is very easy or very simple to use that feature. All you need to do is to click on New Project over here, and after this, it will create a new project for you to start on. And as you can see here, you could choose a file to transcribe, start recording, start writing, or start from a template over here. Now, as you can notice also over here on the top, I only have 17 minutes of transcription remaining. Now, there's only 60 minutes of transcription for free version of Descript. I would need to upgrade my plan to be able to increase my transcription limit. But either way, let's demonstrate how you could use the 17 minutes of transcription, or like how you could use the automatic transcription feature of Descript. Now, what you need to do is you're going to have to be careful because you're going to select the choose a file to transcript. If you select anything over here, it will remove these options over here. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, click on choose a file to transcribe, and then it will open up a pop-up of your different videos or different file that you have over here, and you're simply going to use one of these. Now, for example, I'm going to use this topic over here. So I'm simply going to click on open, and it's going to take a while, but it's going to upload the file that you have selected into this strip over here. And as you can see, it's already on our screen right now. Then I'm simply going to click on done. Now on this pop-up over here, it's going to inform you the information like the title, how many speaker it is looking for. Right now it's one because we are the only one speaking in this video. But if ever there are more, you should put two so that it will try to find out or look for the other person's voice. You could also set up the speaker name over here. Like let's say Jasper, just like that, add Jasper as a speaker. Now, whatever voice that is going to be heard or detected by Descript in this video, it will now register it as a voice that you could use later on for text-to-speech. Now, let's simply click on done. And as you can see, it's currently preparing the transcript because it is 9 minutes and 52 seconds over here. That means it took 10 minutes from our 7 minutes of transcription remaining over here. Now, you're simply going to wait for it. It's going to take longer if the videos are longer. And of course, it's going to take shorter if the videos are shorter. And there we go. We already have our transcription over here right away. Now, if you don't know, the way you edit videos in Descript is through editing the transcript, as you can see here. Now, for example, in this part, I said, hello guys and welcome to today's video. Let's play it. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. And as you can see, I did say that line. Now, if I want to edit the video through Descript, I'm going to have to delete the specific word to be able to cut the clip. So let's click on backspace until we remove the entire sentence that we have just heard. And just like this. Now what it's going to do, it's going to remove the specific section from our clip over here. So it's going to automatically cut the video for us. It's different from the usual video editing software where you can cut the clips by using the different features like split and delete of editing software. But in Descript, you delete or you cut the different clips through the voices or through the words that you are saying. So let's listen to it once again because we remove a sentence. Management. In today's guide, see, it didn't say the earlier sentence anymore. It already went straight to in today's guide. That is how you can edit in Descript. Now, most or the transcription is pretty accurate actually. If you observe over here, you can simply play it from the start to finish and you could observe that each word is actually very accurate. Now, there are some words that it will detect, like it might say instead of off, it's going to think of that you said the word off as in turn it off. But you will be able to notice it over here. And depends on the speaker of the video that you're using. Maybe there will be some errors with the type of word, or the word that it will detect is going to be different from the actual word. So you can edit it in that way. So as you can see, there's a lot of words over here. You could also detect the terms where you said so let's play it over here. See, it is, I said the word which is not very good for video. So you can simply delete this section by clicking on backspace, just like that. And now it's going to remove it and it's going to be flawless actually. Usually when I'm editing videos on normal editing software and I try to cut a clip, sometimes the cutting is going to be not that great. It's going to have some conflict, or like the transition is not smooth between two words. But as you can see here in Descript, it's very smooth. Task, as you can see, it is May 3. See, it removed the and like the transition between the two sentences is very smooth, which is very good. You need a reliable editor for this type of things. And as you can see, we have more over here. Simply remove it just like that. It is very useful. The feature wherein you can have an automatic transcription is very useful in Descript. If ever you would like to copy like your script, you can simply click on everything, Control A, and copy this. And now you have an entire transcription of your own video without having to pay for anything online. Although there will be some limitation with this, you won't be able to have more than 60 transcription remaining. Now, if you want to have more, you're going to have to upgrade. And let's see the different plans. Let's go and compare the different plans. There are 3 different plans. You have the free, creator, pro, and enterprise over here. The enterprise is custom. You're going to have to contact them. But as you can see, the transcriptions per hour is 1 hour per month for the free. The creator is 10 hours and the pro is 30 hours over here. So after we use up our transcription over here, we won't be able to use it again after a month. So be careful when using your transcription hours. And there's also more features over here that we are limited to, like watermark free video export over here. It's only 1 per month. And the filter world removal, I could use that over here. If you have enough transcription remaining, you could use this feature to any of your videos, short or long. You will be able to transcribe them very accurately. And that's it, guys. That's how you could use the transcription process or the transcription feature of Descript. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.